it's been a while since I've done a video. So I have some altered books here, and I've already picked out some of the tucks. I had made some really cool pockets and tucks. So there's that one. And then the signature is already made. So I'm gonna be putting that one together. And then I have this really fun one. Look at that. This big blue sunflower. And then this one had a little, I just like that little card there. And then this was a collage topper. And I think it was, I believe it was Shabby Dabby Doodah that did this. So this is kind of what I'm gonna do is a topper on that. And I'll cover that there. And then I have some other fabrics that will go on the signature and inside and all that good stuff. So there's that one. Okay. And then this one is going to be a pretty big one here. Again, I'm figuring out what to do with this extra fabric. Here's some of the papers that's going to go on this one. Very, I like the pattern of this. So, there's this, it's almost like a leather, a pleather. So I'm thinking a collage front, something like that. Not sure. So there's that. I'm definitely going to put something on the band here, which this would be kind of cool, honest, right? Just to cover that right away. We'll have to see. We may have to do a stitching with this and then do that on the edge. That'd be fun. Okay, so there's that. Gonna lay this out a little flatter. Get it ready. So there's that one. And here's all these cool little papers here. Okay, so there's that one. And here's this one. This is oh yeah, this one's fun. So I'm gonna figure out the outside here, but this is a collage kinda that I was working on. Not sure where we're gonna go with that yet. So we'll see where we land. Okay, and then it has the inside. There's some ties in here and some more fabric. And so cool. Look at these. Some cool pockets there. Okay. So I'm gonna figure that one out. I don't want to lose the fabric to this one. Okay, and then this last one. This one is very interesting because it's blue and yellow. And look at that. This piece of silk. So fabulous. And I think I might duplicate in a way on there. Now this one already has, I already covered it, so that's pretty cool. It's already in blue. And then more fabric, lots of fabric in this one. And there's some pockets. So those are the 5. I'm gonna get these done and get them loaded up onto the shop on the website and projects I got going to, but I wanted to at least get the front video done. So I will see you in the next one.